Hey guys, I'm super pumped for today's video. I'm going to be teaching you all how to make chocolate-filled crescent rolls. So let's get to it. First, soften 1.5 tablespoons of instant yeast with half a cup of warm water. Now in a medium skillet, heat together half a cup of milk, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of shortening, and 2 teaspoons of salt until the sugar is dissolved. Transfer the mixture into a medium bowl and let it sit until it's lukewarm. Now add 1.5 cups of flour and mix. Now mix in 3 eggs and your yeast. Now add 3 to 3.5 cups of flour. Now knead the dough for 5 to 8 minutes. Let it rise in a lightly oiled bowl for 1 to 1.5 hours. Now punch the dough down and then turn it out on a lightly floured surface, cover it, and let it rise for another 10 minutes. Now divide your dough into 3 even parts. Roll each piece into a 12-inch circle. Brush 1/3 tablespoon of melted butter over each circle, and then, using a pizza cutter, cut each circle into 12 wedges, and then spread some chocolate hazelnut spread at the wide part of each wedge. Begin at the wide part of each wedge and roll it towards the point. Now arrange them 2 to 3 inches apart on a non-greased baking sheet. Now for the third time, cover each pan and let them rise for 30 to 45 minutes. Now, place them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at a temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, to make your rolls extra delicious, brush them with a desired amount of butter before enjoying. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Catch you later on BG Bakers.